Hello students, I hope all of you are keeping well. Today in this video session we are going to start a new lesson entitled as division, that is your 6th number chapter in your book and page number 117. Today I will discuss about division. What do you mean by division? Another name of division and some problems we will discuss. Okay, so let's start with our new topic. So I have drawn 6 balls. They are balls and 6 balls, and I have 3 friends, Ram, Govind and Babu. You know, these 6 balls I want to divide among them, among my 3 friends. The question is, how many balls will each friend get? Question is, how many balls will each friend get? So there are 6 balls, so I want to share these balls equally. That means each my friend will get 2 balls. Ram will get 2 balls, Govind will get 2 balls and Babu will get 2 balls. But how did you get that? This is the another operation that is called division. That means total ball is 6, number of people is 3, so each people will get 6 divided by 3. That means they will get 2 balls each. This is called division. Another operation, already have done addition, subtraction, multiplication. This is another operation. Okay, and this is called divided by. This operation is called divided by. That means 6 divided by 3, you will get 2. Okay, so now I'm going to the next page. In your book you can check question number 1, count and divide as shown. Question number A says there are how many you can check there are 6 buttons and 3 codes are there, and it is already solved. So you want to divide 6 buttons equally on 3 codes. That means 6 buttons to be stitched equally on 3 codes. Now the question is, how many buttons will get the coat each? So answer will be 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. That means each coat will get 2 buttons. Now next question. There are 12 candles and 12 candles to be placed equally on 3 cakes. The question is, how many candles will each cake get? So there are 12 candles, and if I divide 4 candles each, then it will be equal sharing, right? Then each cake will get 4 candles. If I have 16 candles and I want to divide among 4 I want to divide 16 candles among 4 cakes, then each cake will get 4 candles. 16 divided 4 equal to 4. Similarly, question number C, 8 children are there and 8 children to be seated equally on 4 desks. So number of children is 8 and you want to divide on 4 desks. So each desk will contain 2 children, right? Because 8 divided 4 equal to 2. Question number D, 9 apples are there and 9 apples to be kept equally in 3 baskets. So each basket will contain 3 apples. So these are the examples of division. You know that another name of division is repeated subtraction. Division means repeated subtraction. As I know that multiplication is called repeated addition, similarly division means repeated subtraction. Suppose I have 8 balls and I want to divide among 2 people. So at first I will give 2 balls to one person. So only left 6 balls. Then again you divide then again 2 balls to another person. Then 4 balls will be left. Again you will give 2 balls to another person. You will get 2 balls. And again 2 balls are left. Then these 2 balls will go to the last person and there will be no balls are left. Okay. So the question is, number of balls are 8 and you want to divide the balls into 2 persons. So each person will get 4 balls because this 2 is repeated 4 times. That's why our answer is 4. Clear? Now we will solve our repeated subtraction. In page number 119, question number 2B, it says 12 minus 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So you want to here 12 is divided among 2 people. So each will get 6. Now the question is 6 is repeated how many times? 2 times. So you have to write here 12 divided by 6 and you will get 2. 6 to the 12. Similarly, question number C, 18 and in the next blank it will be 3, and the result will be how many times 3 is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer will be 6. Okay. So the next 20 and you are subtracting 5 and 4 times. You are subtracting 4 times. So your answer will be 4. Right? So this is the another method of division. But I only apply the division method, not repeated subtraction. because to avoid the repeated subtraction, we will do or we will apply the division method. Now question is how to divide. How to divide? So there is a method. You have to write, suppose I want to divide 16 by 2. I want to divide 16 by 2. So how to divide? So you have to write 16 here, and beside this curve you have to write 2 here because you are dividing by 2. So you have to find out which is the nearest value of 16 or 16 that is the multiple of 2. 2 8 is the 16, which is equal to the 16. So write down this and now subtract it. You will get 0. That means 16 divided by 2, you will get 8. This is called long division method. Okay, long division method. There is another topic that is in your page number 120, equal grouping. Equal grouping, equal sharing, they are same. That means you are doing subtraction, right? So let's start. In your page number 120, it says circle and make groups. Also write the division fact as shown. This is division fact. Now question number B, you have to circle and make groups. Now at first count the total color pencil. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So total pencils 16. So write down 16 here. Now you want to make a group, right? So if you make a group, each group will contain 4 color pencil. Clear? That means if you divide 16 by 4, you will get 4 groups, because each group will contain different color of pencils. This is violet color, this is green color, this is orange color, this is pink color. So each group has different color pencils and each group contains 4 pencils. So I can make a group. So I did. And how many groups are there? 4 groups. So 16 pencils are there and I made 4 groups and each group contains 4 pencils. So if I write in the division fact, that will be 16 divided by 4. The answer will be 4. Similarly, question number C. How many children are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So total children 10. So write down 10 here. And you can check. They are standing separately, right? And in each separation there are only, separation means they are making a group, right? They are making a group. There are 2 groups, first group and second group, and each group contains 5 children, right? So if you divide 10 children's among, if you divide 10 children's among 5 children's, then you will get 2 groups. That's why you are getting 2 groups, right? Now the next part, which is dividend. What is divisor? What is quotient? And what is remainder. Dividend means the number being divided. Suppose here I am completing the division. Here 18 is dividend. That means you are dividing 18. That means the number being divided is called dividend. What is divisor? The number dividing, it is called divisor. So here divisor is 3. Now what the result is coming? 6. This is quotient. Okay, the result is called quotient, and after subtraction you will get 0. That is called remainder. Okay, that means if you have 18 mangoes and if you share 18 mangoes among 3 people, so they will get 6 mangoes each. Okay, no mangoes will be left. So no mangoes will be left means remainder is 0. If the mangoes will left, if the mangoes are left, then you can say this is the remainder. The left part, which is being left part, that is called remainder. Suppose I have 15 mangoes and I want to divide 4 people. Can you divide equally? No, you can't divide, because when you are going to divide, you will get 3 mangoes will be left. So 3 is the remainder here, right? And 4 is the divisor, 3 is the quotient, 15 is the dividend. Okay, now we will discuss 4 number problem. Look at the division fact and write the terms as shown. So it is first one, it is solved. Now we will solve question number B. I said 12, that is being divided, it is called dividend. So dividend is 12. You are dividing by 3, so divisor is 3, and you are getting result 4, so quotient is 4, and there are no terms are left, that is 0, so remainder is 0. Question number C, similarly, dividend is 27, because this is a bigger number and the number is being divided by 9, so divisor is 9, and you are getting 3, that is quotient, and no numbers are left, nothing is left, so the remainder is 0. Did you understand? I hope you understand the fact. Okay, now the next part is division on the number line. Very important thing, division on the number line. Suppose the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Suppose I want to divide 10 by 2. So what will you get? So you have to find out the result using number line. So now you are at 10. Look at carefully, because you are dividing 10 by 2, so now you are at 10. Now go to the backward, right, and skip 2 space. It means you have to skip 2 space. So at first you will go to 8, right, and how far to go till we reach 0. So at first we are at 10. Now I told you, because you are doing division, that means you have to go backward. Since you are dividing by 2, that means you have to skip only 2 spaces. So I have skipped 2 space. Now we are at 8. Again skip 2 space. 1 space, 2 space. Then again 4. How far to go? Till 0, then 2, then 0. Now you count how many spaces you have skipped. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is your result. If 10 divided by 2, you will get 5. So in this way you have to solve on the number line. Okay. Now in page number 122, question number 5, divide on the number line and write the quotient in the box. 12 divided by 3. So you have to start from 12. Where is 12? Here is 12. Now you are dividing by 3. Now question is, you have to skip 3 spaces, right? Backwardly you have to go backward, and 3 spaces you have to skip. Now space 3 skip. Skip 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Now you will go to 9. Again 6. Then 3. Then 0. Right? Then you tell me how many spaces you have skipped. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer will be 4. Similarly, 15 divided by 5. So you are at 15. Now you are skipping 5 spaces. Now you will at 10, then again 5, then again 0. So you have skipped 3 spaces. The answer will be 3. Similarly, 18 by 9. So you are skipping 9 spaces, then 0. So you will get you only skipped 2 space. You only skipped 2 times, right? So that was your result. 2. 18 divided by 9 is 2. And page number 123, this is your home task. Please do it. Okay. And next day we will do the next topic. Thank you. Go through this video and keep learning.